Alright, so here we are with CVS. I was late to the party this morning and missed a whole bunch of trades. Not a whole bunch, a couple of trades. But enough to have a pretty nice green day already. But I'm here with CVS right now. So here we are. So CVS has set up on the normal simple switch strategy, which I play short only on CVS. And it is short right now. And we're jumped in. So we're in. So, but I didn't really get a chance to look at the all the stuff because I literally turned on the computer and was like, oh, there's CVS right now. So I just picked up 300 shares. Let's see what that was. 69.28, 69, basically 69. So about 30 cents. So yeah, we're about right. I did that because typically CVS is around 30 to 40 cents movement. So I knew that from trading this every day, and I just hoped that it would happen to be that right now, so I didn't risk too much. But yeah, we're good. All right, so there we go. So we're all in on CVS. We're all marked up. We got our speed bump play in here. The way I set up my speed bumps basically is I put in, I own 300 shares. So I put that I'm going to, because I'm short, so I got to buy it back. So I put that I'm buying 600 shares. So that'll buy back to 300, and it'll buy another 300 to reverse my position. So that's how I set that up. And yeah, so this goes against me. We'll be jumping into the long side. But anyway, so we are CVS. Let's see how it does. All right, so TWOU is set up for a switch on the strategy, the normal day trading strategy. So I'm thinking about jumping in right here in 6 seconds. Part of me wants to wait till it fills the gap, but I'll jump in here, and if it fills the gap, I'll just add to my position, I guess. And okay, so here we go. Jumping in. Ooh, where did I, oh man. A couple seconds earlier, and I would have been able to capitalize on that gap. Oh well. Looking at the spread, it's pretty spready right now. So because of this gap here, I'm actually going to redraw this marker here, remove. And I'm going to put it to the close of that candle, not the open. Okay, I'm not going to speed bump TWOU. It's right around high of day. This could just be form an M pattern and break down later. So I'm not going to speed bump it. I would have to put my speed bump up here, and I don't want that kind of risk reward. So I'm just not going to speed bump it this time, and is what it is. And we'll see if we get a continued breakdown. So I'm decided not to speed bump CVS because we could be in a downtrend right now. It could be breaking out of a downtrend. But also the markets are looking a little bit weak today as well. In general, that could drag it back down. I think it's better just to take the loss on it today, and and then wait for the next trade. So that's the plan right now. 69.28, 69. I'll give it a little more room to make it break above this level here, and then I'll call it a day. 69.31. Yeah. All right, so we're out of CVS. I'm going to call that a day on that one, and then we'll hit it another day, and then we'll see if TWOU can pull it through for us and make us green. All right, traders. So here we are. We have TWOU performing nicely. So let this thing run down a little bit, but I think it's time to go ahead and trail a tight stop right here, and then bounce out. This candle's closing in just a couple minutes. It looks like we might have a green above a red here, so I'm going to go ahead and pop out of this and take that profit and turn this nice green day and also recover yesterday's red day. Yeah, see, there we go. Let's just go ahead and 130. So we have 130 shares, 130 in the lineup, spread 29. So we'll go to 33 or 32, buy. And if it comes up any more, then we'll be out. And I'll trail this down a little longer if it'll keep on going. But this looks like it might want to be rallying at the end of the day potentially. So we'll be out. All right, so there we go. So we are all out of TWOU. Pick up $139 off that trade. So a little better than our 100 we expected. So definitely erases that over here and gets us green. So let me put this in the log, and then I'll recap the day, and we'll show you what's up. All right, so quick recap on the day. So first trade of the day that I took was, I wasn't here in the morning. So this is the first thing that I saw by the time I got to the computer. So right here, CVS, we had our switch. We had our switch back, which is what one of the ways I trade CVS. Fortunately, I didn't trade that because I would have been a loser. But that switch back was also, there's a speed bump to it right here. Plus, we had the normal simple switch set up right here. So that worked out pretty good. So I jumped in, but I still got stopped out. So, we went down a little bit. We came back up. I did not speed bump this, as I said earlier, because we do have a little bit of a downtrend movement here. And I just wasn't feeling it. Looking at the price action with this little bit of a downtrend movement, I was like, I'm going to get speed bumped right here. I'll speed bump it here, and then this thing will roll back over. So I was like, I'm just not going to do it. It's not worth it today. So I didn't do it. Good thing, because I would have got stopped out, and then would have had two losers on CVS. So good choice there. But and then, as I told you earlier, right here is a really nice technical setup. Bunch of stuff that goes into that. I don't really teach technicals, but there's like I said, we're a little bit of a channel and a bunch of other little things, and I called that perfectly. I wish I would have traded it because this would have been green, but trying to keep this strictly algorithm based, so I didn't do it. So anyway, there's CVS sideways all day long. Okay, and then TWOU, we just saw the conclusion of that. Good thing I got out right here as this is starting to boost towards the end of the day, like I said it might. I'm going to zoom out a little bit here. So TWOU, we had our switch and then our switch back. And our switch back, I traded when the switch back and on the simple switch day trading strategy, the normal one. So right here, we barely have permission, but we kind of have permission there, barely. And on the switch back as well. So we jumped into it. Yesterday was a loser. Today is a winner. So that's pretty sweet. And then we'll take that. So then what I missed, because I wasn't here in the morning, QCOM. As you know, I traded on the switch. And then I speed bump it till I'm green. So we had our switch right here. And then winner. So missed out on that winner. And then NUG. I only trade this to the long side with the simple switch normal day trading rules, which is right here. We had our switch to the long side. We got permission. And there we go, off to the races, and missed out on that. So those are two winners. I missed out right there. CVS was a loser. TWOU was a winner. And then APPS. So APPS right here. So this day could have been awesome. I could have had a whole bunch of winners on the board today and really grew the account. So, normal day trading strategy again, long and short APPS. So we had our switch to the long side with permission. The switch to the short didn't have permission. So wait for the long, permission, boom. So that was a nice straight up rocket ship. Probably could have got 2R out of this one. But again, I wasn't here in the morning, so I didn't take advantage of it. And this goes back to what I said on yesterday's video, is if you're not going to be consistent with the time of trading, then you're going to miss out on all the winners, and you're going to take all the losers and blow up your account. So you saw there's 4 winners, 5 winners there, 4 winners there, and I took one of the losers and one of the winners, and I missed the other 3, which could have really gave me a nice day today. So that's how it is. So anyway, so let's go look at the log real quick. Okay, so here we are in the log. So yesterday we had that $27 loss after the winning and losing. We ended up with 27 red day. And then today, a little bit of losing, a little bit of winning, and we're able to pull out $52. So pretty sweet all in all, making some money back there. So green on the week now. Right up here you can see the week March, we're $24 green on the month. And then over here is the weeks. So week 9 is what we're into right now. We're at $24. So we're green on the week so far. And then dashboard over here on March. So yeah, bummer. And then, but really nice. So $52 today, and we entered a swing trade yesterday, and that thing is already doing awesome. So I was so tempted to just say, you know what, I want to sell it today just to put a bunch more green on here, but I'm gonna wait till it hits the target, because the target could give me a lot of money. So anyway, so we'll wait for that thing to conclude. But there we are. So there's the log. Everybody, have an awesome day. If you haven't already, hit that like button on the bottom, the thumbs up. That would definitely help me out a lot. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, if you want to click subscribe and be notified, hit the bell icon and be notified when I do upload new videos or educational content. You can click that right there and get those notifications. Everybody, have an awesome day. See you.